Welcome to Quiz Craze!
Which of these animals is the largest land animal? Which of these animals is known for having black and white stripes? Which of these animals can live both in water and on land? Who is the fastest land animal? Which of these animals is known for hanging upside down from trees? Which of these animals is the largest mammal in the ocean? Which of these animals is famous for its long neck? Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Which of these animals is known for changing its color to blend in with its surroundings? Which of these animals is the tallest bird? Which of these animals is known for building dams? Which of these animals sleeps standing up? Which of these animals can fly backward? Which of these animals is known for its ability to mimic human speech? What do pandas mainly eat?
Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed the quiz and subscribe for more fun videos.